the sounder for the fire alarm system sounder. Okay. That's the fire smoke sensor. One. Two. Three. Four. This is the fire panel, 2-zone fire panel, and this is the MCP. So all the installation is done.